future military power is being built around systems that can survive stronger, strike faster, and connect every layer of the fight. But which of these programs will actually shape the next battlefield? These are the 10 next-generation military systems that matter most. Number 10. South Korea LSAM-2. South Korea's LSAM-2 marks as a clear step beyond basic missile defense. LSAM-2 improves protection for critical infrastructure and military assets, and it strengthens deterrence by making enemy strike less reliable. It is earned the 10th spot because it is powerful defensively. Its effects stay centered on shielded territory rather than broader power projection. Number 9. Germany MGCS. Germany's main ground combat system represents the future of European armored warfare. MGCS is designed around advanced battlefield networking, enhanced protection system, and possible manned-unmanned integration. Ground warfare still decide territorial battles, so a platform like MGCS could reshape how armor units fight together. That makes it a serious combat system, but the next program adds a different kind of strategic effect through hypersonic strike. Number 8. ASN-4G Hypersonic Missile. France's ASN-4G is a future air-launched hypersonic strategic missile. It makes high-value targets harder to defend and harder to assume are safe. ASN-4G strengthens France's strategic strike credibility by forcing an opponent to account for faster and less predictable attacks. That specialization is important, but the next platform turns speed and survivability into a wider air combat advantage. Number 7. Australia MQ-28 Coastbat. Australia's MQ-28 Coastbat shows how autonomy is starting to change air combat. Built as an AI-enabled combat drone, it brings autonomous operation, loyal wingman capability, sensor extension, and force multiplication into one platform. In practice, that means pilots can push information forward without putting themselves in the most exposed position. Coastbat ranks here because it is a force multiplier rather than a standalone strategic weapon. Number 6. United Kingdom Tempest. The United Kingdom's Tempest is built around the shift from traditional fighters to network-centric combat ecosystems. Its core features include 6th-generation architecture, AI-assisted decision support, advanced sensor fusion, and manned-unmanned teaming. It is processing more of the battle space and helping the force act faster. That kind of information advantage drives survivability, targeting, and flexibility. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe for more military content like this, and let us know in the comments which system here is underrated and which one should be ranked higher. Number 5. India AMCA. India's advanced medium combat aircraft pushed the country into the stealth fighter era. The program centers on low observable design, internal weapons carriage, advanced sensors, and multi-role capability. Operationally, that means the aircraft is being built to survive in heavily defended airspace while still carrying out a wide range of missions. AMCA earns this position because it promises real survivable combat power. And the next entry closes it with a system that already changes strategic defense thinking in a major way. Number 4. Russia Avangard. Russia's Avangard is one of the most disruptive hypersonic systems in the lineup. It is a strategic light vehicle built for hypersonic velocity and unpredictable flight path, strategic range, and nuclear payload capability. Its operational value comes from making missile defense planning far more difficult. It sits here because its power is enormous, but the next system keeps the speed advantage while adding more operational flexibility and collision relevance. Number 3. Japan F-8 GCAP. Japan's F-8 is a future air dominance fighter designed around advanced stealth, network-centric warfare, air integration, and long-range operation. The real strength of this program is not just reduced visibility, it is the way stealth, sensors, and networking are being fused into one air combat architecture that gives the platform a better chance to survive, find and coordinate in contest airspace. FX also matters because it's becoming a major force multiplier in modern air warfare. Number 2. China TF-27. China's TF-27 is a long-range strike system believed to deliver hypersonic effects against high-value targets. Its core value comes from the mixed hypersonic flight, extended range, strategic targeting capability, and rapid response potential. That combination gives it the ability to threaten military assets across large operational threats and complicate force during planning. The TF-27 ranks just below the top because it is highly disruptive, but it remains specialized strike weapon rather than a full warfare ecosystem. Number 1. United States NGAD. The US NGAD represents the most comprehensive shift in future air warfare on this list. It is built around 6th generation stealth, advanced sensor fusion, AI-enabled battle management, loyal wingman integration, and long-range air dominance capability. That matters because NGAD is not being treated as a single aircraft fighting alone. It is designed as an integrated combat ecosystem that blends survivability, autonomy, networking, and information superiority into one operational concept. In the air, that changes everything. It means the platform can sense further, coordinate faster, and survive inside a far more contest environment than legacy fighters were built for. It also creates a new kind of force projection, where the aircraft is only one part of a larger system of crewed and uncrewed systems working together. Compared with every program below it, NGAD offers the widest combination of reach, adaptability, lethality, and strategic influence, which is why it sits at the top of the ranking. It is not just next-generation fighter. It is the clearest blueprint for how air dominance may be fought in the decades ahead. That combination gives it the ability to threaten military assets across large operational theaters and complicate force projection planning. It is not just next-generation fighter. It is the clearest blueprint for how air dominance may be fought in the decades ahead. Which program how you move higher on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Then watch the next video on the screen right now.